Hello and welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to make this star shaped granny square. So we're going to start with a magic circle, and inside that magic circle we're going to start with a chain 3. And then once we've done that chain 3, we are then going to put in 15 double crochets. Now while that's happening, I should say that if you wanted to, you could also start this by doing a chain 4, joining it together, and then doing another chain 4 inside that chain 4 ring, and then doing 15 double crochets. Now I'm just going to be bringing together my my circle, and I'm going to be joining with a slip stitch, and I'm joining that into the first chain 3 at the top of the very first chain 3. Okay, and now we're going to move on to round 2, and I'm going to do a chain 3 and a double crochet in the next stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3. That counts as one stitch, 2 stitches, but I've done a 2 together. Now in the next stitch I'm going to do a double crochet, 2 together, and then I'm going to chain 3, and that's going to be your repeat. It's going to be 2 double crochets together and a chain 3, 2 double crochets together and a chain 3, and you're going to work that all the way around. Okay, we're getting close to the end now, so as a reminder, I've just been doing 2 double crochets together in each stitch with a chain 3, and then I'm going to be chaining 2 and then joining with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. Because if you remember, that's a chain 2 together in that, that's a double crochet 2 together in that circle. So what I've just done is I've just tightened up my circle a little bit, and then we're going to move on to round 3. I'm going to start with a chain 3, and then I'm going to do 3 double crochets in the chain space, and then I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to do 4 double crochets in the next chain space, and that's what the repeat is going to be all the way around. It's going to be 4 double crochets in the chain space and then chain 2, and we'll repeat that round to the end, where we'll join with the top to the top of the chain 3 with a slip stitch. Okay, we're getting back to the beginning of the row. I'm just doing my last few double crochets, and I'm going to chain one, and then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that chain. And then we're going to start row 4. I'm really sorry about this, that row 4 is a little bit, I think during row 4 I might be slightly out of camera frame, but I'm going to try my best to actually read through the stitch repeat for you. So we're going to start off with a chain 3, then we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then we're going to do 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then we're going to do 2 half double crochets in the chain 2 space, and then we're going to do 1 half double crochet and then 1 treble crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to start building our corner, and our corner is going to be 2 treble crochets, a chain 3 and 2 treble crochets. That's all going to go in a corner space. And then we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to do a half double crochet in the next double crochet, and we're going to repeat that around, and what I'll probably do, because I feel that this is quite difficult to I don't know if it's me, but I find this pattern a bit difficult to remember, so I will write this pattern up and I will pop it in the instructions, in the, what's the word I'm looking for? In the not the comments box, in the description box of this video. So I will put it in there for you. I'm just finishing off with the last couple of stitches, and then I will be joining with a slip stitch to the third of the chain 3. And that is row 4. So now we're going to move on to row 5. This is probably one of the easiest rows. It's much more simple. We're going to start with a chain 2, and then we're going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochets in each stitch across. And when we get to the corner, we're going to start by doing 2 half double crochets, a chain 2, and then 2 half double crochets. And then we're going to start by putting half double crochets in each stitch across. Once again, we're going to be doing a corner stitch, which is 2 half double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 half double crochets. And just remember at the corner to do 2 half double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 half double crochets. We're just going to finish off with 1 more double crochet or half double crochet, and we're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. And there you go, that is our square finished. So I'm going to snip off, fasten off on my yarn, pull it through the loop, and then we're going to start by weaving in our ends. So I'm going to take my bent tip tapestry needle, and the first thing I want to do is I kind of want to remove that dog leg that we kind of get at the top of that stitch just there. So I'm just going to bring that down to the other side of the work, just to try to pull that dog leg out of the way a bit so it won't be seen. There you go, you can't even see it now. And then I'm just going to weave this tail end through a few stitches, and then I'm going to go back onto my last bit, pull up a loop, pull my yarn through and just knot it off, and then I'm going to bring the yarn through a few more stitches. I'm going to put a bit of tension on it, not too much, just enough, trim it off quite close, and then when you pull it flat your end is disappeared. I'm just going to pull a little bit on this tail end just to bring that circle in a bit, and I'm just going to weave in and out of a few stitches in the circle. And then I'm going to create a loop and knot off my yarn. I'm then going to go back on myself, just weaving under a few stitches, pulling the yarn out, again creating a bit of tension and snipping off the yarn there. And that is your finished square. Well, thanks very much for watching that video, and if you're interested you can check out some of these videos here. Up here we've probably got another crochet along, and then down here a nice little playlist of how-to, so you can learn how to do stitches. And if you've got time, why not like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! What am I doing? Oh, okay. Yeah. Welcome back, and oh, my chair is so squeaky. Welcome back. So I'm hating this. I hate doing introductions to videos, it's so annoying.